arrest. Those are your
He's
choices.
telling me I'm causing problems because I ask questions and try to arrest me now.
That's your option. You can either go. That's fine. It's on body cam, so you can keep recording.
All we're doing is asking questions.
And I've told
you
your answer.
And I just asked a question. Now
We're not disturbing anybody.
We're not disturbing. I just asked a question.
Conversation.
No, y'all want to sit here and gang up on me and be three of you. So y'all can go on. Actually, do you know what? There's a new state law that says if I tell you to leave, you have to leave. You have to be 25 feet away. So go. 25 feet away from me. He's the one.
That's not a state law.
Yeah, it is a new state law that just got enacted November 1st last year. So y'all can go.
Are you
back.
escalating?
All right, I'll tell you what. You're going to jail.
He hasn't done anything.
Yep. Nope. Yep.
He hasn't done anything.
Yeah, he refused to back up when he was told to back up 25 feet away from the contact. So now you're under arrest. Let's go.
You're going to regret it. Can you have my money?
Sure.
Right here in my pocket. Manny, film this.
Here you go. Let's go.
You're going to regret this, buddy. Ready, keep recording. Can I ask you what I'm doing? You have to record?
Yeah, because I gave you a lawful order to back away and you refused. So, here you go. Anything else on your person?
Yeah, I got a knife right there and Will you be careful with my glasses, sir?
Your sunglasses?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fires tonight as well. I'll put 21 further.
Okay. We want your stuff. You want them to have it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Be careful with his glasses.
Thank you. Yeah. Can I talk to you?
Can I get buckled up, sir?
You want buckled up? Makes most people claustrophobic, but absolutely. Sorry, she's down there.
Yeah. Where are you taking?
Payne County Jail. Deputy Bowen. 480 Beacon. Yep. Yep. It is on. It's just all it's got is that little hole right there to come through. Are you feeling any of it coming back? It is. This black truck does not cool off quick. It's 25 foot and when you're informed to get back. It's it. No, it's within if I'm making a contact and I tell you to get back, you have to get back. You refuse to get back. Nope, you were not. Yes, sir. I mean, if you want to, because I'm just going to continue having problems over there. Where you at? Yeah, I'm already northbound out originally. How about I cut across 68 and meet you? Alright, sweet. I'll see you in a minute. No, you were given a clear direction to get back. You refused to do so. That violates the new state law. That's okay. That's why we have court. Do you have any criminal history? Honestly, I don't know what the jail's rules are because it's a county arrest. If no criminal history, it may be an in and out and a PR bond with a court date. Their rules change all the time on what depending on what judge is on call for hearing. You're going to jail for disobeying a lawful order.
64 Central.
Okay. All they had to do was follow the rules and not go up there and park and cause problems like they did last night and just sit in the stands with everybody else and enjoy a ball game. No, that's what they wanted to do and wanted to argue about and create confrontation about. I told him I was going to arrest him if he went up there on their property after they've been told not to go up there. That makes it criminal trespass.
64.
Everybody's been told not to park up there, and that's all there is to it. They were told not to go up there and bother the people. Okay. Nope, it's just body cam that's rolling. Absolutely. Is that enough or too much?
Right.
I'm the deputy assigned to the town, and I also work for the school. I'm the deputy employed to be in the town, and I work for the school also, yes. We're waiting right here. Another deputy's going to transport you to the sheriff's office. No, you're good. I understand. You want to change out? He's being cooperative.
I'm not bad. I'm not. I'm gonna wipe my face.
Yeah, sorry. Just sitting up there in the phone. Been really good.
Anybody coming? Okay. That partition's a little hard to see through. County.
418, go ahead.
County on 1015 for 489 and route to the jail.
Clear.
488 County Mineral Lake to Ripley Baseball.
Clear, 489. 425 to 418.
Go ahead.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Mind if I crack this one in this now?
If it'll do it, if not, let me know and I'll do it. There we go. Yeah. Oh, kick out on high.
You know, by chance, if I'm going to be able to walk through, or I got to wait until Monday?
Depending, you ever been in trouble before?
I didn't hear it.
You ever been in trouble before?
No, I'm going
Okay.
out of town.
Okay, well, that doesn't mean you hadn't been in trouble before.
No, I ain't been in trouble.
They might be able to set you a bond and get out, and it could be a PR bond. I don't know. You're welcome.
I appreciate you putting these up front.
Not a problem. Like I said, he said you've been cool with him, and
No, I was cool with him when he arrested me. I didn't know why he was arrested me. We're having an interaction. That's having a simple discussion. He said I didn't back up 25 feet. That's not what the law says. That's not the purpose. No, I'll say tomorrow.
thank you. Is it softball or baseball?
It's baseball. It's my son's senior year.
Oh, yeah? What's he play?
Catcher.
Catcher? I tried that once. My knees didn't like it. Oh, 13, 14 years? So they got a tournament going on?
Yeah, it's our last game of the day.
Okay.
You know how much my ticket is?
No, I don't.
Beast schedule.
Not for that, no.
Clear, 418.
.418, got one for you.
Boy, it's hot back here.
I had my air conditioner running for a while, too.
Yeah.
I tried to search there. Yes, sir. And right over here, this big heavy door. Oh, they normally have it unlocked. Yeah.
It's locked up.
just right here next to this judge.